Hi, I'm Shimli and welcome to my new channel. This is my first video on this channel. And on this channel, I have decided to discuss all things related to crime. For my first video, I have decided to discuss a relatively easier murder case. Generally, जब भी हम कभी murder के बारे में सुनते हैं about any crime where somebody wants to hurt some other person physically, it's mostly because of any financial problem or maybe related to property. But in this case, things were different. Have you ever thought that you might be killed just because somebody thinks that you are ugly? Because किसी और को आपकी शक्ल नहीं पसंद है? And in this generation, including myself, where everybody is conscious about how they look. And the case study which I'll be discussing today revolves around this. And I'm talking about the UP wife murder case. This incident took place in Uttar Pradesh. Prem Shri was a 26 years old lady from Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly. And in the year 2017, she gets married to Satyaveer, who was professionally a farmer. And being a farmer, he used to earn enough to take care of his family, of his entire family. That's not the problem. शादी के पहले दिन से ही Prem Shri did not like how her husband looked. She was not okay with his skin color, and from time to time इन दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई भी होती रहती थी just because of how Satyaveer looked. But Satyaveer was a good human being and he never reacted. I think he basically did not care, or maybe he did not think कि ये इतनी बड़ी issue है. That is what I think. But धीरे धीरे लड़ाई की frequency and intensity भी बढ़ती रही. But regardless of how he was being treated by his wife, he continued to take care of her and the entire family. And I think कि सत्यवीर को ये चीज बहुत ही ज्यादा नॉर्मल लगी थी. Maybe he did not think he would be killed because of this. Now 1 year after their marriage, in the year 2018 around November, Premshri gives birth to a young daughter. And after the birth of their daughter, सत्यवीर को लगा था कि चीजें और easy हो जाएंगी. Maybe Premshri will accept him as her husband. But that did not happen. Even after becoming a mother, Premshri was not able to accept Satyaveer as her husband. Rather than things getting better, लड़ाई और बढ़ती चली गई and इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ गई थी कि प्रेमश्री अब ये भी बोलने लग गई थी कि तुम मुझे डिवोर्स दो. एंड कहीं ना कहीं ये चीजें उन दोनों के घर में ही पता चल गई थी कि प्रेमश्री को पसंद नहीं था how Satyaveer looked. On 15th April 2019, so almost 2 years after their marriage, and I've already mentioned that Satyaveer was a farmer professionally. सो हर रोज की तरह सत्यवीर के फैमिली में जो बाकी सारे लोग फील्ड्स में काम करते थे, फार्मिंग करते थे, वो लोग 15th April भी वही सेम चीज कर रहे थे. एंड दैट इज व्हेन दे नोटिस्ड स्मोक कमिंग आउट ऑफ सत्यवीर्स बेडरूम. Obviously his entire family, they leave whatever they were doing and they run inside and they find Satyaveer lying on ground almost burned. Premshri was minorly injured. So after seeing this entire scenario, Satyaveer के घर वालों को पता चल गया था कि what exactly has happened, and that is why Satyaveer's brother logs an FIR complaint against Premshri. Satyaveer was immediately taken to the hospital, and when he was in the hospital, the police came there, and Satyaveer was not in a good condition, but he tells what exactly happened. Basically, he gave his statement, but he also mentioned that he never thought, he never imagined that this would happen, and the burn was so severe that he was not able to survive. He lost his life, but the case continued for years, and police से ये case solve नहीं हुई थी, so it got transferred to the court. And then after years of struggling, court इस case के बारे में राय सुनाता है, and according to the court, Prem Shri was obviously guilty. And during this entire investigation process, Prem Shri अपने बातों को बहुत ज्यादा छुपाने की कोशिश करती है. She continuously denies from this entire thing. कोर्ट को ये समझ आ गया था कि प्रेम श्री is the main culprit. Well, सत्यवीर को after years of struggling finally justice मिल गई. But I think इस केस में जो real victim है वो है सत्यवीर and प्रेम श्री की बेटी. अपने पापा को तो वो खो ही चुकी है, but she lost her mother as well. And I don't know how she will survive. I think she needs to be very mentally strong. I don't know. But with that, we have reached the end of this video. This was my first video on this channel, first crime podcast on this channel. I have not yet decided the name of this podcast, but I was procrastinating this for the longest time. So I thought of recording this first and then deciding the name of the podcast. I have so many plans for this channel. I hope that you liked watching this video, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.